Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to IndClass channel. Today we are going to learn about OSI model. OSI is Open System Interconnection. Okay, you can see on the left side and the right side. This is a same process, but if you see on here, starting from under to upper. But for the process, you can see here process for computer to get data from up to down, and the right side from bottom to upper. Do you know about the OSI model? Okay, for history, OSI model in launching by ISO standard. ISO launching OSI model in 1980s. What the function for creating this standard? So it is make it easy for any device to do communication to each other. Before, many company launching standard in one company. So if you want to making communication to this company, you have to follow standard on that company. I think it is so not practice, and it is so hard. It is so difficult to do communication. So from ISO standard launching OSI model for general, for public, for international to do communication from device to other device, from local area until in the globe area. If you can see on this dashboard, this is the flowing data from one computer to other computer. In the left side, the process is encapsulation, and the right side, the process is decapsulation. Okay, I will say from up. This is application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, detailing layer, physical layer. And for the right side, the name is, you can mention from under to the top. From under, physical layer, detailing layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. And the process to get data or to send your data from here. Okay, and then the final on this. And then what the function on each layer? In each layer has the function. For application layer, the function is for processing data based on its protocol. For example, if you want to access browser in the globe, so you use HTTPS protocol. And then if you want to access email, you can use protocol SMTP. So the function for application layer is used for processing data based on its protocol. Number 6, presentation layer. It is used for encryption or decryption data. So make it your data is safe. For example, you can use SSL. Presentation layer for making your data safe. Layer 5, session layer. It is used for control sending or receiving based on time. For example, if you want to send your data, so this session layer is used to control or making schedule for your data, what time your data will be transferred. And then you use this layer. The name is session layer. Layer number 4, the name is transport layer. What the function of this layer? It's suitable with this name. Transport layer is used for transferring your data. If you think or you can imagine transport by bus, train, plane, or other. It is similar with this transport layer. What the transportation to send your data. There are two types of transport layer. You can call TCP or UDP. What the difference of this type? TCP is used to transfer data and all data can be transferred perfectly. No data loss, no data corruption. So your data which you send same with data the other or your friend receive. And this is needs a long time to do process. UDP, it is so fast time to deliver your data, but any data corruption on this processing. TCP is long time, but UDP is so long fast time, but TCP can transfer your data perfectly, no corruption data, and on UDP any your data corruption. Next, layer number 3, the name is network layer. Network layer is used to give IP address and to making decision what the route will be taken. If you imagine in the road or on the map, so many road, and then you have to choose which one this road the best or the fast time receive on your friend, which one the best way to be taken, route 1, 2, 3 or 4. So network layer to make decision or to choose which the best route to be taken. In the basic device you can see on the router. I think you know router, and router include on this layer number 3, network layer, to do communication on different location using route. Next, layer number 2, it is named data link layer. What the function of this layer? This layer is used for giving MAC address, and for before network layer to give IP address, and on this layer to give MAC address. What the different IP address and MAC address? IP address is unstable IP. If you want to connect to use one Wi-Fi and the other Wi-Fi, the IP address is always different. But for MAC address is identity physical on your device, which is given by manufacturer. If you imagine, if you think device for this layer, it is switch device. Switch device is similar with router device, but the function is different. If you use switch for local area network, and then whereas for router for router for connecting to other location network. The last layer is physical layer. It is so easy for you to think. Physical layer is the media for delivering your data. You can use cable or Wi-Fi to transfer your data. And for the right side is similar. The name you can see on here. Application, presentation, session, same, transport layer, network, data link layer, physical layer, and physical layer. But what is the difference on the left and on the right? On the left side, the name is encapsulation, and the right side, the name is decapsulation. If you think or you can imagine, like if you want to transfer or you send packet to your friend, so on the left side you have to packaging, you have to wrapping, you have to send to expedition and other. And the right side, your box or your package is opened by your friend. OSI model is standard concept for you to think how data will be transferred. And for right now, you can see or you can think for new model. The name is model TCP or IP. Maybe I will explain you on the next time. And for right now, enough for learning together about OSI model. This is concept for you to think how your data is delivered from one device to other device. I think enough for right now. If you have comment, if you have question, you can chat on below this video. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.